share some pictures, but this morning on the way to take my wife to work, we're coming around this curve here. Can't really see how big of a curve it is, but it's a decent little curve. Anyways, coming around these two curves here, I was coming from that direction, heading north, and a big old tractor implement came around this curve, and he was going pretty good, and he took up the whole road. And you can kind of see where his tracks were. He was heading southbound here. You see his tracks right here, and then Durango's tracks came this way, and I just couldn't do much, guys. I was about to take the ditch, so she grabbed hold of this T-post barbed wire fence, and that's all she wrote. So my brand dang new Durango is all messed up. She would have flipped though, if it wasn't for that barbed wire fence. Alright. Alright. Here she goes. Nice and easy. So we tried, but we failed. Durango is still in the ditch. She is boogered up. That barbed wire is holding on super tight. So we had to break down and call a tow truck. That sucks, but it needs a lift. It needs lifted up in order to get her unstuck. But I don't know if you can tell, those T-posts are struggling. That's exactly what's keeping this truck from rolling right on over. Camera don't really show that angle very good, but it's pitched. Well, Durango's back. Gentleman at Randy's Body Shop in Ellsworth, Kansas hooked us up real good. Literally hooked us up. Only thing I can really tell, I mean, busted up turn signal and a bad tire, some more beauty marks, but I mean, she had plenty of character before, so what's a little more? Otherwise, I really don't think anything really bad's happened to her. I started her up. She runs great. I mean, she's a little uglier now, but kind of how I like my women. I mean, my trucks.